Please welcome Reanimation.
You have proved that you fight well. Now you can join us.
Yo, what's up? Ito ngayon kasama natin isa sa kuya sa dancing. We got Pop and Seb.
Pop and Seb. Ano yun?
Kaya manalo matalo. Okay lang kasi wala mo.
Ako pala si Pop and Seb. Isa po ako professional dancer.
Ano nila yun? Dugbog lang ako. Habang bayran ba ka rin? Ako rin na rin. Tuman na lang kayo. Binayran na rin. Hindi na ako matay mo nga rin. Ilupag ko kaya. Ano babae? Kaya na ba?
Babae, ganun kayo na.
Okay kayo hindi.
You know the definition of a baller. That's me. C-H-I-N-T. Let me explain it to you. I'm a baller, high roller, baby, baby, baby. Side tall, that's fine. Ain't nobody can do it.
We're now about to witness the strength of street knowledge. Don't even waste your time. I'm number one. I'm the only one. Check my technique.
She working, pull around with a fit body. When I come through with a big cutie.
Hello, let's go. Let's